I'm an island girl. I'm an island girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and today I'm doing a very exciting video. So today I'm collabing with Insert Her Name Hair to show y'all how I insert my long sleek ponytails. So I want to see how I achieve my slick back ponytails, then keep on watching. Super excited to work with this company. Some of my favorite YouTubers have worked with them. Makeup Shayla, It's My Ray Ray. I've been watching them since I was in high school. So the fact that a company, so it's just crazy that somebody they work with reach out to work with me. Like, it's a really good feeling. So I'm super excited about that. But enough rambling, let's get into the video. So I'll be using the Gorilla Snot Glue and Gots to Be to slick down my ponytail. And as y'all see, my hair isn't really straight no more. It's kind of puffy. It's gotten pretty old, so don't mind my hair. But my hair is pretty old now. It's been straight for at least 3 weeks now. Like, first thing I'm gonna do is comb my hair. And I'm gonna comb it all backwards because I'm gonna do like a slick back bun. Sometimes I do a middle part, but today we giving the girl slick back. We doing completely pull it back. We giving them forehead. Okay, so I'm taking my Gots to Be glue and it's like a little fart. And I'm just gonna put that on the top of my hair. Make sure I get the back as well. And I want my ponytail to reach like right here. I'm gonna take a brush. And I like to use like a hard brush just to make sure that all the hairs are put into the ponytail. Like, I don't want no flyaways, no lumps, no naps. And guys, I repeat this step about 3 to 4 times. Just now I'm going to take my rubber band that's right here and just wrap it around the pony. And you want to do it as many times as the ponytail lets you. So I'm on my 3rd loop. 4. I don't think I could do 5, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, 5 probably won't cut it, but this would do. So okay, next we're moving on to the edges, and I'm gonna use that same Gorilla Snot glue. Just gonna place that right on my edges. And I like to take a rat tail comb. I know people use what is it called? 2 brushes, but I like to use a rat tail comb and just swoop. Just whoop. Make a C, baby. Just make a C. Then brush back. There you go. This side. On my I forgot what this called, Edith's point or something like that. Judas point. But if y'all know what this is called, that little point at the center of your head, comment below and correct me, please. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wrap my edges just so I can make sure they stay in place, they're real tight, and put together. Like, make sure we don't got no flyaways. And Okay guys, so here is the ponytail. The ponytail is in the texture Shayla, color dark brown, and it is 26 inches. Came with 2 bobby pins as well, and it comes with an extra hair piece as well. So okay, it would have been cute short too, actually. Look, this cute girl. So I actually have another ponytail they sent me. They sent me 2, one in Shayla, and I forgot what the other one's called. Matter of fact, let's just open it. Let's do an unboxing. Give me a second. Okay guys, so this is the second ponytail they sent me. It's in the color, but it's in the style Sharon. So this is it, and I'm just gonna unzipping it, show you guys the hair really quickly. Trying to get it out of the lunch lady stocking. Ooh, this is pretty. Y'all, this is pretty. It's like a really loose wave. Like, this is the loose beachy wave. So this is the loose beachy wave, and this one is the loose spiral. So you guys see the difference? This is dark brown as well, but it comes in 28 inches. And the other one comes in 26 inches. So more little things came in the bag. I'm just gonna take them out. So it's some more bobby pins and a ponytail holder. I have a little booklet. It says no bad hair days. And let me see. Shows you how to care for the hair and the different textures that come in. And on the back, it shows you some hot tools and different ways you could wear the hair. So I'm gonna open this little pocket right here. Oh, and this one comes with the little extra hair as well. So let me remove this lunch lady cap, y'all. Just the extra piece. Actually, I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna wear the Sharon tonight to insert this ponytail. So let's keep watching. Okay, so here's the ponytail right here. And it's like elastic, so you're just gonna undo it. Oops. Okay. So now we have a little comb right here, and what you want to do is place this on top of your ponytail. So, I'm gonna turn around and do it just so it's easier for y'all to see, and yeah. So now what you're going to do is take this little piece that's hanging off the ponytail and just wrap it around so you don't see like the tracks of the ponytail basically. And you're going to need at least 1 or 2 bobby pins for that. So I'm going to take the bobby pins they sent me. So now I'm going to take my bobby pin and pin this to the side. And I'm going to get 1 more bobby pin just to make sure it's secure. And place 1 more on the side as well. Like, this was so effortless, and it literally came out beautiful, and it matches my texture and my hair color spot on. Like, y'all, I am in love. Look at this. Y'all, this is so pretty. And this is the ponytail Sharon, y'all. Look at this. This is it. This is that girl, okay? But y'all, look at this. Like, girl, I could do the, hold on. I just did the Beyonce flip. So babes, that is it for my slick back ponytail review. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. And I want to give a huge thank you to Insert Her Name for reaching out and collaborating with me. Y'all, this ponytail is literally to die for. Like, it is everything. But make sure y'all stay tuned for when I insert the Shayla ponytail. I should be doing that probably this week as well. This week or next week, but I really want to show y'all how the Shayla ponytails looks, because now I'm obsessed with this. I'm just wondering how's the Shayla gonna look on me. So that is it for my video. I hope y'all liked it, and without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Mwah.